I'm not even gonna say nothing. Let the booties do the talking. Just let
We are T and K. We're not influencers, but we enjoy having fun. Frugal fashion fun. Let's do this. So, we have 3 more days in our home, and I thought it would be nice to kind of show you guys around. We've lived in this house for 17 years, I believe. It was 18, I forget. We're moving to upstate New York, and the next home is gonna be a lot of fun because there's gonna be DIY projects, and I know T's also gonna be looking for a home in another 2 years, I would say. So I thought it would be fun to just kind of show you before and afters. Like right now, we're nearly done. You know, we have a few more boxes to put in storage, and we've been sleeping on blow-up beds. You know, the final walkthrough should be next week, so we're really excited. First of all, let me show you, because the living room has a beautiful view of this beautiful park. It's a pretty view from my window. Every morning I get to wake up to this. It's so pretty. Coffee, friends and family over. Yeah, it's a hot mess right now. You know, but we're gonna clean up, and you'll see before and after. But this is the living room that we have a lot of fun. This is the kitchen, old school kitchen too. We put those cabinets up. Kitchen's kind of a hot mess right now. But yeah, if we did decide to stay, we would have refurbished these cabinets, but we put that up there where we had our table, and we put these shelves up. Coffee area. It's hot. Oh yeah, I'm cooking right now, y'all. Don't that look good? Stop playing. Stop playing. Got some rice on. Stop playing. This is the outside. I'm gonna take y'all outside. See the 3 seasonal porch. This is my backyard. 3 seasonal porch. This is the backyard. The next homeowners, they could technically, you know, of course they could fence. Actually, the yard goes past those bushes. So yeah, it had some good times out here. I'm gonna miss this house. All right, so this is the 3 seasonal porch. Actually, we had furniture in here, but I gave it away. But it's so nice, you know, we did a lot of entertaining in here. Here's the light. So you imagine at night, it's like so bright, it's like beaming. So yeah. This is the hallway closet when you walk in. Bam. So nice space in here. Hallway when you walk in, and bam, go down here. This is the bathroom. This is my husband and I room. And yep, this is how we living, y'all. Bathroom. My kids' room, but they're occupying it right now. And then we have a whole downstairs I'm gonna show y'all. This was built in the 1950s, and the original homeowners had all this. And we thought this was like just so unique and different, you know? Oh, y'all put light bulb up there, but look, y'all, isn't this cute? So we walk down here in the basement. I think this was sold the house. We have a whole basement that we literally did not finish. The square footage of the house, if this was finished, highly likely would be close to 1,600 square feet. This is an extra room. So this house is technically a 3-bedroom. When we first moved in here, y'all, this house was a 2-bedroom, and we had to put a wall up to make it a 3-bedroom again because they took the wall down in the 2 bedrooms that's upstairs where my kids are. They basically made that a den, which was interesting. I'm like, y'all had a whole basement. Why didn't you just make this like another living room? My husband and I, we started the projects, but yeah, we just, we moving, so. But we're very happy that the next homeowners was like, you know what, go take care of it all. And I was like, y'all gonna take care of what? Okay, inspection and all too? All right now. So this is really cool. So there's closet space. There's a lot of potential in this house, you know? A lot of potential. I mean, I'm so happy that the next homeowners could really see the vision, because it's basically move-in ready, but now the homeowners could like take their time and make it what they want it to be. You know what I'm saying? So this is the utility room, and got the washer and dryer, nothing special. So yeah, y'all, and then go right back upstairs. The garage is over here. Go back upstairs. All right, y'all, I'm about to eat.
Hey everybody, it's your girl T. I'm here, and guess what? A haul from where? Walmart. Yes, so Walmart has some like fabulous clearance. If y'all patient and you wait, you'll get some fabulous clearance. I got boots and a couple loafers. Okay, first up, we have some beautiful cream ankle booties. Look at these. This is the brand Mia, M-I-A. These were only $10. Now, these purchases are over a few months. Some are available, some are not. You know, clearance goes like this. So if it's available, I'll link it. But, you know, I got these a few months ago. So these were $10. Some low, chunky heel, pointy, cream booties that I don't have anything like. So $10 clearance, y'all. Clearance. I love clearance. Do you love clearance? Yes, yes we do. Next we got, I'm not even gonna say nothing. I'm just gonna hold it up. I'm just gonna hold it up. Bam. Look at that. Studded ankle booties. Now I just got these. These might still be available, but they were only $15. Look at the studded detail. Yes, I still love studs, and I didn't have to do it myself. Yes. So, you know, these are really cute. So, and I got another color too. Let me show you. Bam, bam, bam. Taupey neutral color. Oh my goodness, y'all. Man, this was such a steal. $15. Like, this is the Portland brand, by the way. The booties are the Portland brand. So, you know, Portland brand is kind of slept on at Walmart, but they got some good clearance. So these taupey will go with everything. Your creams, your browns, your tans. I love it. Okay, let's keep it going with the studs, okay? I wasn't playing. I'm not playing with when it comes to studs. Bam, studded loafers. Also from the Portland brand. Very well made. These are in a 9, you know. I probably would have got a 9.5 if they had it. These just fit, like wear with some thin stockings or little socks.
Yeah, so pass them over to your sis, you know what I'm saying, when you're over them, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm.
These were $10, y'all. I couldn't believe it, 10. And hold on, I got the other color. Hold on. Bam! These have studs too. If you look closely, these have studs. So some neutral snake skin loafers. Like, come on now, $10. $10, you can't beat that. $10. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, I think I saved the best for last. I'm not even gonna say nothing. Let the booties do the talking. Just let it do the talking, y'all. Look at this. The sparkle is real. It's not giving sparkle right now, but it's so sparkly. I mean, these are Madden NYC. These are long gone. These are not in stock. I snatched them up quick on clearance. I think they were $25. So these are the, you know, all of these got the low chunky booty heel, which I like. So come on, y'all, come on. They had the brown ones like this too, but I was a little too slow. Those are out of stock. But so the pointy toe booties, by the way, I went up half a size. So the booties earlier and these 9.5. So that's my little Walmart boot haul and loafers, you know. Did a little damage over the past few months, but worth it. So talk to you later. Bye.